Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Run watch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the crown button. Keep holding the button until you see the SUUNTO logo on the screen, and once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on or boots up. And once it boots up, you may see the list of languages on the screen. If your watch is reset to the factory default settings, for example, or it's brand new. And if you see this list, basically scroll through it, find the language you would like to use, then tap on the language you like to use to select it. Then you can select the region, service region. So scroll through the list, look for the region you want to use, and tap on it, of course. And the list is quite long. Come on, let's go to the bottom. Okay, here we have it. And let's select, for example, United Kingdom. Then press the crown button. And now you should see the QR code on the screen, which means you need to download and install the SUUNTO application on your iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store. In the App Store, you tap on search icon right here. Then tap on the search bar and type in SUUNTO. Oh, my bad. SUUNTO. And then tap on search. And you should see this application on the list, SUUNTO. Tap on it, tap on the get button to download and install the application, and wait until the application is done installing. Okay, and once the application is done installing, you can tap on open button to open it. In the app, you probably will see this pop-up on the screen about the Bluetooth devices. Allow it, this one is required. Then you can tap on one of these options. We have continue with Facebook, so if you want to use Facebook account to log in, you can do it. Same with the Apple account. And finally, you have the email option. I'm gonna use the email option because I have an account already, but you can use either of them. I'm gonna enter my email address. Give me a couple of seconds. Then tap on continue and enter the password. And then we can tap on login. Oh, apparently I entered the password incorrectly. And indeed I did. Okay, now I got the correct password. And after you log in, you probably will see this page. Tap on continue. You can allow the permission for the location. So tap on continue and allow or deny the permission. Then we have the notifications permission. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. If you don't care, you can deny them. If you want to use the notifications, tap on allow. And finally, if you don't have any devices connected to your account, the app will bring you to this page and it will automatically start searching for the nearby devices. But if you have devices connected to your account and you want to add a new device, you can tap on menu, not menu, my bad. I believe it's this icon, the device icon. And it will start searching for the nearby devices. And you can select your SUUNTO Run. Here we have it. As you can see, it detects two watches for me because I have a SUUNTO D5 as well. But here we have the SUUNTO Run. Tap on pair. Enter the code from the watch. Tap on pair. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. Here tap on done. And we can turn on or off the notifications. You can basically customize the settings for them. And you have the notifications as the whole thing. You can enable and disable the notifications for the reminders, notifications for calls, and the messages. You can also skip this step if you want to. Then we have the preferred button side. Tap next. Here we have a profile. You can set it up. And next, the target goals, so basically daily goals. You can set them up and then tap on done. And here we have a tutorial how to use the watch. I'm gonna skip it. At this point, you should see your SUUNTO Run on the device page. And if you wake up the screen on your watch, it will just give you a tutorial how to use it. And after you're done with the tutorial, you should see the watch face on your watch, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.